Hello everyone, welcome back. This time we are going to discuss a very interesting topic. Imagine you step out of an airport in a country you have never visited before and that's totally new for you. You pull out your phone, open the GPS and wait for that little blue dot to tell you exactly where you are. Sometimes it pops up instantly. Other times, you stand there staring at the screen for what feels like forever. Why? The answer lies in how much your GNSS receiver remembers from the last time it was used. We call this a cold start, a warm start, or a hot start. And once you understand them, the mystery of slow Google Maps GPS locks will disappear. Let us start from the very beginning. Your GNSS receiver is like a detective. It solves the mystery of where am I? By listening to clues from satellites orbiting thousands of kilometers above the Earth, to crack the case quickly, it needs three important files in its notebook. The almanac, this is the detective's rough map of where all satellites usually are in the sky. The ephemeris, this is the precise schedule of where each satellite is. Right now, the last known position and time. This is like remembering where the detective last left off in the case. If the detective has all of these, the job is quick. If not, it is a longer investigation. Cold start, the lost detective in a cold start. Our detective wakes up with no notebook at all, no almanac, no ephemeris, no memory of where or when they were last working. They must start from scratch, scanning the whole sky for every possible satellite, downloading all the big picture maps and then all the precise schedules. This process can take 30 to 60 seconds, sometimes more, especially in tricky conditions like being under tall buildings or dense trees. It is like trying to find your hotel in a new city without a map, without a clock, and without anyone to ask for directions. Warm start is like the detective is having an old map in a warm start. The detective still has a map, the almanac, and remembers where and when they last were, but the detailed schedule, the ephemeris, has expired. Ephemeris data only stays valid for about 4 hours, so after that it must be replaced. The detective can now focus on satellites they already know should be there, but must still get the latest details before solving the case. This usually means 15 to 25 seconds before they can give you your location. Hot start means the detective already on the scene. Maybe you people crime scene, hahaha. Hot start is the dream scenario. The detective has the almanac, the ephemeris, and the last position and time all fresh and accurate. They are standing exactly where they left off, with the map open and the schedule in hand. All they need to do is look up, confirm the satellites are in place, and they can tell you where you are in 1 to 5 seconds. It is like waking up in your own bedroom and instantly knowing where everything is. A few important real-world twists: the exact times for cold, warm, and hot starts are not fixed. They depend heavily on the radio frequency, signal strength, and your surroundings. If you are indoors, in a dense forest, or in a deep urban canyon, it can take longer. Also, many modern receivers have a trick up their sleeve called assisted GNSS or AGNS. This is like the detective calling ahead to get tomorrow's satellite schedules over the internet. It speeds up cold, warm, and hot starts, sometimes dramatically. Finally, so next time you see your GPS take forever, remember, if it is slow, you are probably in a cold start. If it is a bit faster, you might be in a warm start. If it is instant, that is the magic of a hot start. Think of your GNSS receiver as a detective, and the better prepared that detective is, the faster you will know exactly where you are. And here is the final thought I want to leave you with. Cold, warm, and hot starts are not just technical jargon. They are the story of how your GNSS receiver wakes up and finds its place in the world. The more it remembers, the faster it works for you. So the next time your GPS locks on instantly, you will know it just had a hot start. And if it takes its time, you will know it is simply gathering the clues it needs. Either way, it is quietly working with satellites thousands of kilometers above your head, just to answer that simple question, where am I? If you found this useful, remember to like this video, share it with someone who loves tech, and subscribe for more simple explanations of the technology that moves our world. Until next time, keep exploring and may your next start always be a hot one.